Hello, Shubhra ji.
It's
Welcome in
okay, na?
Let's Connect with Prerna. So, everyone, today we have Ms. Shubhra Chaturvedi. She is Director of Trans Education, and today we will be talking about her journey and also about her journey from academics to being a fashion model. So, welcome once again, Shubhra ji.
Thank you so much, Prerna. Thank you for having me here. It's indeed a pleasure. And you look
Thank you so
lovely.
much. You are looking great too. So, Shubhra ji, to begin to
Thank
begin with our
you.
question, how would you rate yourself as a student in your school days?
As a student, Prerna, when I tell this to my students also, it comes as a surprise for them because I was still class 9th. I was a very shy
Yeah,
student. And there were times when teachers used to ask me questions and I just couldn't give the answer because I used to be so
right.
nervous. And it was in class 9th when my mom one day she told me that if this is how you want to be remembered as a mediocre, then be the same. Otherwise, it's high time you change the game. So then, it really hit me hard that, it is time to sink or swim. And uske baad, my life completely changed because I started participating in a lot of extracurricular
Right.
activities. Debates happened, elocutions happened. I represented my schools in various activities and a lot of things. So that, gave me a lot of confidence. That helped me in gaining a lot of
Bilkul.
confidence. So, and I remember in class 9 when my dad had come to take my report card, my class teacher told him that you're very lucky to have a daughter like Shubhra. Coming this from your mentor and from your teacher was a big achievement, and I still am in touch with all my teachers. And I happen to be their favorite also. So, extracurricular wise, I would say I was extraordinary, but academically, I was decent enough.
Okay.
I was decent,
Okay.
yeah.
So please tell us about your journey from being a student to a teacher. What made you choose teaching as a profession?
Prerna, I feel that teaching is a very rewarding profession.
Definitely.
जितना reward आपको teaching में
Bilkul.
मिलता है, you don't get it
Bilkul.
anywhere else. And when there are times when you see your students doing so well, you feel that yes, your hard work is paying off
Bilkul.
somewhere. And it also happened, academics happened by chance. I was here for my last semester just before my MBA, and I happened to attend a
Okay.
seminar. And one of the directors of a very prominent college was present in the seminar, and he heard me talking. So he said, Shubhra, why don't you join us as a faculty? So I thought probably he was joking or something. And then next day, I was called for an interview because the formality had to
Right.
be done. And uske baad I was on board. They told me that Shubhra, we feel that you are underage for the job because many students would be your age or there would be students, who would be elder to you. So will you be able to handle? So the confident me, I was like, yes, sir, don't worry, I'll be able to handle. And that is how academics happened. And then I was fortunate enough to have joined Trounce almost a decade ago. And I feel blessed that an institute that I joined as an employee, I take a lot of pride and pleasure in saying that now I own that institute.
That is
And
what, yes. That's really,
yes,
very
actually.
inspiring and very motivating.
So a lot of hard work has gone into it, and I've been blessed. That is what
Great.
I will say. So my journey from students, from being a student to an academician was nothing less than a roller coaster ride. But I got to learn a lot. I got to learn a lot. And my students have been a major contributor in shaping my personality. Shubhra is known because of her
Wow.
students. So I take a lot of pride in saying that.
Wow. So you were awarded National Education Award for Excellence in Teaching English, right? And you are the first and youngest to have got
Yes,
this award. Then what made you change the
yes.
course and choose fashion and style? I mean, I think that this is something which we really want to know.
Great. Yeah, that's National Education Leadership Award I got in 2019, and that was in Kolkata. And there I was told that I'm the youngest and the only representative from my state. So it was a big thing because getting it from, and I was among some very renowned academicians of Kolkata and some very prominent
Ji.
faces. So that, of course, boosted my confidence a lot. But Prerna, I feel that I never go according to the norms. I've like, see, I'll tell you what I'm trying to say. A teacher is supposed to have a particular kind of
Right,
image.
right.
Um, Even when I was in Trounce, I went against that image. We were not allowed to wear sleeveless, and somehow I convinced my boss, my sir, to allow me to wear sleeveless. I always wanted to keep it very stylish, and I was always attracted by glamour. I always visualize myself walking the ramp and, standing next to celebrities and being crowned. So probably that is what led me towards it. And the first opportunity I got, I grabbed it with both my hands and I was like, no, Shubhra, you are not going to miss out on this. And I was always, I was never very lean. You have seen me, right? I always had a very broad structure. So this happened through social media only. I came across these wonderful models who were so comfortable in their skin, and they were, they would give the conventional model a run for their
बिल्कुल
money.
शुभ्रा जी, here
So
here
I
I would
said
like
that,
to add one thing. जैसे आपने बोला कि आजकल जब हम बच्चों से बात करते हैं, यूथ से बात करते हैं, या इनफैक्ट हम अपनी एज के लोगों से बात करते हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं वेट को लेकर के, अपने जो एक नेचुरल लुक और जो एक एक अपनी जो चीजें होती हैं उनको लेकर के लोग बहुत ज्यादा डाउट करते हैं. उस पे आप क्या बोलेंगी? जैसे आपने बोला ना, इट इज अबाउट द कॉन्फिडेंस. सो हियर
yes, Prerna, actually, there was a time when even I was very low on confidence, and I went very low on confidence, my self-esteem and everything, But वही बात है कि, see, at the end of the day, you need to accept that this is how you are, and you may be flawed. There might be people who might not like you, but you have to accept yourself. And one thing that I would want to tell everybody, जो भी video देखें, बाद में देखें, and which I strongly follow is, never, never be disturbed by others' opinion of you, because that is not your destiny. वो उनका ओपिनियन है, वो उनका परसेप्शन है आपके बारे में, उनको आप पसंद नहीं है, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, बट आप खुद को बहुत पसंद करिए, खुद में एक कॉन्फिडेंस लाइए, एंड कहिए कि हम जैसे हैं, हम इसी में अपना बेस्ट बन के और करके दिखाएंगे. दिस इज व्हाट आई डू. दिस इज व्हाट आई डू. आई वाज लाइक, ठीक है, इवन इफ आई एम फ्रॉड,
जो हमें देख रहे हैं उनको, उनके लिए भी, और जो बाद में भी ये वीडियो देखेंगे, जो आपने बात बोली कि हम पहले अपने आप को, खुद को पसंद करें, हम जैसे भी हैं.
Yes, yes. Accept करें the way you are, and then the world is of course going to accept you. आप अपने आप को वैल्यू करना शुरू करिए प्रेरणा, and there is nobody who is not going to value you. इसके बाद things change. Things change.
तो हम बात कर रहे थे आपकी जर्नी फ्रॉम बीइंग इनटू एजुकेशन टू कमिंग इन फैशन एंड स्टाइल. तो मैंने बीच में आपसे
Yeah. नहीं, it's okay, it's perfectly all right. But उसी से फिर it happened through social media. I came across these models and I was inspired by them. And I was lucky, Prerna, that these event organizers of Miss Curvy Queen, they saw my pictures and they contacted me. They wanted me to be a part of the audition, which I couldn't do because of certain, issues on personal front. So I sent them a video. I was like, no, I'm not going to leave this opportunity. I will not let this go. So I said that I'm going to give an online audition, and I was the only one who gave an online audition. And uske baad bas, I was selected, and then out of 80 models, I was among top 5, and then being crowned and winning a lot of subtitles. Then so it's history.
From academic to glamour is quite a journey. What triggered it? Or it was a plan. It was already a plan. As in, you said that you have always been very stylish when it comes to your dressing and things. So yes.
Yes, I always, I think that is genetics, Prerna, because I was grown up in an environment, my parents have always been very stylish. So that is what, I grew up looking at them and I wanted to be like them. I wanted to look as glamorous as my mom and as smart as my father. So it was somewhere genetically, it came into me. And then, of course, I would not lie. I had no plans of doing it. I had very different plans. I had no plans of getting into this modeling thing. But wo kehte hai na, you want to tell God a joke, you tell him your plans. So that is what happened with me. And like I told you, these event organizers, they came in touch with me, and then uske baad, and then I went on to, I don't know whether Prerna, you know this or not, but there's this fashion and lifestyle magazine. I've kept a copy here. And last year, I was featured.
Wow.
Here in this magazine, yes, as one of the top 21 record holders, and I was felicitated by Shivani Kashyap, and a lot of other celebrities were present there. And again, I was the only one from my state, from my city, to be there. So I think God had plans for me. My bent towards style and glamour triggered it, and God had different plans for me. So that is how it happened.
So coming up with the other question. How have you been able to balance home, academics, and very high profile in fashion, full of achievements and awards?
Prerna, because I'm single, so home was being taken care of by my mom. Thankfully, on that front, I don't have many responsibilities as such, except for the fact that yes, it is mandatory for all of us to sit together and spend some time at night, which my mother has made it mandatory for all the family members, my father, my bhabhi, my brother. And then at that time, our phones are switched off. We are off social media and we are just talking to each other. So that is the only responsibility I have towards my family. Otherwise, ऐसा कोई मेरे पर काम नहीं है, to be very honest. Professionally, 12 years is a long time by any standards. I've put in a lot of hard work, right? So, and if you want to be at the top of your game and if you want to justify all your achievements, you have to toil, you know. So, वही बात है ना कि it is the whatever it takes mentality that works for me. Professionally, I'm quite passionate about it. So, about my job, I love being with my students. So, you know, that's what motivates me to be to be active on the professional front also. And fashion and glamour, like I said, it goes side by side. It goes side by side. It is not my first profession. It is my plan B, to be very honest. As they say now, you should have two plans, plan A and plan B. So that is my plan B. So I keep doing things which I can, but of course my work, my academic, my institute is my first priority.
Shubhra ji, you are role model for contemporary girls and women. You were awarded Shashat Nari Award in 2019, right? So what do you have to say, you know, to young girls and women?
Yes, I was awarded the Shashat Nari Award. Yes, that was another achievement. Why, my God, Prerna, you've done your homework really well. You've really gone through my profile. Prerna, the only message that I would want to give all the young females is, like I said, accept yourself the way you are. And don't go by what others have to tell you. You know, one thing that nobody can take from you is the strength of your mind. So have a very, very strong mindset and never take no for an answer. कई बार ऐसा होगा कि हम ये कहेंगे कि हम ये करना चाहते हैं. This is what I want to do. This is how I aspire to be. And there'll be naysayers. नहीं ये मत करो. अरे ये कैसे करोगी? ये नहीं होगा. But if you have that feeling कि नहीं हमें करना है and I want to give it a try and I might make it big, then go ahead with all the confidence that you have. Right? And बार-बार मैं वही कह रही हूँ प्रेरणा, because personally also I've been affected by it. But never let others' opinion affect you at all. लोग आपके बारे में क्या कह रहे हैं उससे आपको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. You know what you are. The only people you are answerable to are your parents and your immediate family and your loved ones. उसके बाद कौन आपके बारे में क्या कह रहा है, क्या सोच रहा है, you shouldn't be bothered about it. Right? Just follow your heart, follow your passion, and if you love what you do, then you will definitely make it big in life. This is what I strongly believe.
How important it is to be financially independent to live and reach goal for women?
You tell me, Prerna, what do you think? Is it important for women to be financially independent? I'll answer this question after.
It is definitely very, very important to be financially independent. This is what I have to say. Yes. Yes,
it is. Prerna, you know, it gives you a sense of respect. Yes. You know, among your family members also. It is imperative to be financially independent. And what I would say to the young girls is, I know because I am, you know, generally surrounded by students. So there are many girls who are not very ambitious, who are, you know, who are not very career oriented. But still what I would want to say is, अपनी qualifications से compromise मत करना. Make yourself as qualified as possible because you never know what life has in store for you. God forbid if something untoward happens, things don't go according to your plan, then at least you should be in a position to be able to stand on your 2 feet and, you know, support people who are dependent on you. Right? उस टाइम ये ना हो कि हमने ये नहीं किया, हम qualified नहीं हैं, हम इसके लिए नहीं कर सकते, हम eligible नहीं हैं. Right? That shouldn't happen. So, and financial independence for me is imperative. Come on, yaar, आज की date में you need to maintain a certain kind of lifestyle. And you need money for that. So you can't be asking your parents every time कि मुझे ये खरीदना है, मुझे ये करना है, you know, and neither your husband. And I feel आपका husband भी, आपका life partner भी आपको बहुत respect करता है अगर आप उसके ऊपर, if you come across as a support more than a responsibility. I would not say liability. A wife is never a liability for her husband. But if you come across as a support, I think आपका husband भी आपको, आपका life partner भी आपको बहुत respect करेगा. आपके बच्चे आपको बहुत respect करेंगे.
शुभ्रा जी, कोई ऐसी मोटिवेटिंग कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट या कोई ऐसी यू नो कोई ऐसा एक्चुअली इंसिडेंट जो आप यहाँ हम सबके साथ शेयर करना चाहेंगी?
इंसिडेंट तो नहीं प्रेरणा, बट बिकॉज इट इज नॉट द राइट प्लेटफॉर्म टू टॉक अबाउट इट. बट मैं एक बात जरूर कहना चाहूंगी कि people never talk about their failures. And everybody has to understand that people fail a lot. I mean a whole lot. And nobody wants to be known for their failures. Right? आपको सिर्फ इंसान सिर्फ अपने achievements के लिए they want to be known for their achievements. Right? So don't go by what social media is showing you. ये मैं सारी young generation से कहना चाहती हूँ. Don't get disillusioned कि अरे ये तो इतना अच्छा कर रहा है, तो इतना, अरे यार ठीक है, मैं अपनी बात करती हूँ, मैंने अपने अवार्ड पोस्ट किए हैं, मैंने अपने अचीवमेंट पोस्ट किए हैं, बट इट्स नॉट दैट आई हैवंट फेल्ड इन लाइफ. आई हैव फेल्ड एंड आई हैव फेल्ड मिजरेबली. प्रेरणा, आपने इंसिडेंट की बात करी, मैं आपको एक बात बताती हूँ. देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन आई वाज नॉट दिस पर्सन. यू नो, आई हैड स्लिप्ड इनटू मेजर डिप्रेशन. For a couple of years, I was really into depression and I didn't know where my life was going. And it was not बहुत पहले की बात नहीं है, ये अभी की बात है, 5-6 years back, right? But फिर वही बात है कि आपको ये समझना है what inspired me, the thought that inspired me was कि इसके लिए मेरी माँ ने मुझे लाइफ नहीं दी है. You know, the 9 months that she has labored, it was not for this. She didn't want to see me like this. And उसके बाद तो बस I was like no. And plus people who pull you down in life, आपको अपनी weaknesses को अपनी strength बना के उनको ये भी दिखाना चाहिए कि you tried to pull me down, but boss, this is not going to happen. I will not let that happen. Right? So depression भी मैंने face किया है, मैंने failures भी बहुत life में देखे हैं, personal stance पे, professional stance पे, yes. But मैंने कभी उसको अपने strength को, you know, अपने courage को खत्म नहीं होने दिया. I never let that demotivate me at all. And thankfully, Prerna, I would say that here I have been blessed. I have a blessed family. I have amazing parents, my brother, my bhabhi, and my friends. The set of friends I have, Prerna, trust me. When मैं अपनी life के lowest पे थी, my friends, they literally pulled me out of it. My parents, my brother, my bhabhi. So you need to believe in yourself. You need to believe in your family. And there are times when you need to tell yourself कि ठीक है, things are not going according to my plan. लेकिन वो कहते हैं ना प्रेरणा, अगर अपने मन का हो तो बहुत अच्छा है, और अपने मन का ना हो तो उससे भी अच्छा है, क्योंकि फिर वो उसके मन का होता है, और उसके मन का गलत नहीं होता.
बिल्कुल.
I'm pretty sure about it. I'm a very God believing and a God fearing person, and so are you. I know, right? So उसके मन का गलत नहीं होता.
बहुत अच्छी.
So you know.
ये बहुत अच्छी बात आपने बोली कि अगर हमारे मन का है तो अच्छा है, और अगर भगवान के मन का है तो बहुत ही अच्छा है,
सबसे अच्छा है. फिर उससे अच्छा आपके लिए कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है ना. right?
जो यंग जनरेशन है या कोई भी जनरेशन जो हमें देख रही है, और एक चीज जो आप बात करती है ना कि लोगों का सोशल अकाउंट देखते हैं या एक सोशल मीडिया देखते हैं और कहते हैं यार सब कुछ इसकी लाइफ में कितना अच्छा है, बट वो जो सक्सेस के पीछे के जो स्टेप्स होते हैं, जो आपने बोला कि यू नो, एंड आई थिंक दैट सक्सेसफुल इज, यू नो, कोई भी जो सक्सेसफुल है वो तभी है जब उसने बहुत सारी तरह की लाइफ में चीजों के फेलियर्स देखे हैं, उनसे सीखा है.
Yes, failures देखे और बहुत मेहनत करी है. प्रेरणा, you tell me, you are very successful today, right? You are the founder of Inspiration Academy. I am so proud of you. Whenever I see you, I feel so proud that Prerna is doing so well in her life. You tell me, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि ये overnight हुआ है. You must have put in a lot of hard work, है ना? You must have put in a lot of hard work. और हम लोग के साथ आजकल यही होता है, मेरे साथ भी कई बार होता है. सोशल मीडिया पे किसी को देखा, किसी इन्फ्लुएंसर को देखा, किसी बहुत बड़े व्लॉगर को देखा, लगा यार इसकी लाइफ में तो बहुत कुछ गड़बड़ ही नहीं है. ये वीडियो भी बनाता है तो क्या एक बार में नहीं बनता है. वो लोग जो वीडियोस अपलोड करते हैं, टेक देम आवर्स, डेज टू वर्क ऑन दैट वीडियो. यू नो, कई बार होता है थिंग्स डोंट गो अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर प्लान, बट दे डोंट गिव अप. वो नेवर गिव अप वाला जो एटीट्यूड था, दैट इज व्हाट वर्क्स इन लाइफ, एंड हार्ड वर्क.
डेफिनेटली never giving up, and then hard work. Yes. So
yes, embrace your ambition and never shy away from hard work.
बिल्कुल. शुभ्रा जी, आपका मैसेज यूथ के लिए, मतलब आप तो यू आर सराउंडेड बाय स्टूडेंट्स, यू नो, यू आर अ टीचर एंड एकेडमिकली इतने सालों से आप ट्राउन्स में हैं, तो बच्चों के लिए अपने कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग को लेकर के अपने आप को एक मोटिवेटेड रखने के लिए, क्योंकि कोविड का टाइम है, बहुत सारे बच्चे बहुत सारी अनसर्टेनिटीज और बहुत सारी चीजों की बात करते हैं जिसमें उन्हें लगता है कि वेयर इज द डायरेक्शन, तो उनके लिए आपका क्या मैसेज होगा?
मैं अपने आप से यही कहती हूँ प्रेरणा कि ये सिर्फ हमारे साथ नहीं हो रहा है. वो जो एक होता है ना फीलिंग व्हाई मी, इस टाइम व्हाई मी नहीं है, इट इज विद एवरीबडी. सब लोग लाइफ में बहुत स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, सबकी लाइफ में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं. देयर आर पीपल हु आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, देयर आर पीपल हु आर जस्ट नॉट मेंशनिंग एनीथिंग अबाउट इट, राइट? तो मैं बच्चों से सिर्फ यही कहना चाहूंगी कि जैसे कहते हैं ना, this too shall pass.
बिल्कुल.
Right? Have a little bit of patience. Have a little bit of patience. I know things are really difficult और students पे तो I really pity them क्योंकि कई बच्चों का तो career बिल्कुल stake पे लग गया है. Right? I understand. But this too shall pass. सिर्फ अपने आप से ये कहिए कि ये एक phase है जो निकल जाएगा और उसके बाद they will get the direction. I'm sure they'll get the direction. और एक चीज और प्रेरणा कि मैं क्योंकि मैं खुद बहुत सोशल मीडिया फ्रीक हूँ, लेकिन मैं एक चीज सब बच्चों से कहना चाहूंगी कि सोशल मीडिया सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम, सिर्फ फेसबुक, ट्विटर के लिए नहीं है. There is a lot that you can learn from social media, and I am a live example, Prerna. I have done all my networking and all my personal branding through social media.
बिल्कुल.
Right? तो आपका जो एरिया है, ये टाइम है जब आपको फ्री टाइम मिला है तो अपने आप पे वर्क करिए, इम्प्रोवाइज करिए, अपनी क्राफ्ट, अपनी स्किल जो आपकी है. Right? There are so many pages. आपके इंटरेस्ट का जो भी एरिया है, if you want to be a makeup artist, if you want to get into fashion, if you're a sports person, if you're a fitness freak, whatever you are, right? उन पेजेस को फॉलो करिए, उन लोगों को फॉलो करिए. Try to inculcate their good habits. क्योंकि ये टाइम है जब इतना फ्री टाइम हम लोग को लगता है, मुझे नहीं कभी लाइफ में इतना फ्री टाइम मिला, राइट, जितना अभी मिला. और अगर इसको भी मैं नहीं यूटिलाइज करती हूँ टू लर्न समथिंग न्यू. आई हैव लर्न्ड अ लॉट ऑफ न्यू थिंग्स. आई लर्न्ड कुकिंग, आई लर्न्ड अ फॉरेन लैंग्वेज, आई डिड अ डिप्लोमा इन अ फॉरेन लैंग्वेज, राइट. सो you need to, save time. So use your time very, very effectively. That is one message that I want to give everybody. Right? Time is money, boss. Time is money. You need to use it very, very effectively.
Definitely. So to all the students who are watching us right now, or maybe later when they'll watch this video, so this is the time when you should follow the pages or you should download such applications जहाँ से आप कुछ value addition कर सके, जो भी आपके आगे के plans है उसके लिए. You can learn some courses, you can do some extra, some small duration का courses, and there are actually too many things available on internet right now.
Yes, and at very affordable rates. There are life-changing courses. There are life coaches telling you a lot of things. आपकी communication skills पे बहुत सारे programs चल रहे हैं. So why are you wasting time? Get yourself enrolled. ये कहते रहने से कि अब हम क्या करें, things are not going to change. आपको कुछ करना पड़ेगा, तब things are going to change. Right? वो attitude आपके अंदर आना चाहिए कि नहीं, I have this time and I want to use it to the best of my ability.
बिल्कुल. शुभ्रा जी, आप इलाहाबाद से हैं. मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है आपके लिए कि कई बार ऐसा होता है, मैं लखनऊ में हूँ, ठीक है, यहाँ पे बच्चे हैं, मैं कई सारी लड़कियों से बात करती हूँ, इनफैक्ट लड़कों से भी बात करती हूँ, बच्चों से बात करती हूँ स्कूल में. उनका एक कंसर्न रहता है, वो कहते हैं कि मैम हम यहाँ पे तो वी फील गुड, वी फील कॉन्फिडेंट, but the moment we go to some competitive city, let's say they're traveling, they're going abroad or for their studies, तो कहते हैं मैम हमें we start comparing and that comparison is very negative. तो इसके लिए आप बच्चों को मोटिवेट करने के लिए I would like that आप इस बात पे कुछ बोलें.
प्रेरणा, दिस इज ह्यूमन नेचर. सब कंपेयर करते हैं, मैं भी बहुत कंपेयर करती हूँ, आप भी बहुत कंपेयर करते होगे, राइट. बट हमेशा कंपेयर करके अपने आप में फ्लॉज ढूंढना और नेगेटिविटी ढूंढना इज वेरी रॉन्ग, राइट. आप अपने आप को हमेशा ऐसे क्यों कंपेयर कर रहे हो कि वो मुझसे कितना बेटर है. आप ये भी तो देखो कि ये चीज मुझ में उसके जैसी भी है, एंड देयर आर पीपल जिनसे मैं बेटर हूँ. तो व्हाई नॉट आई वर्क ऑन दोज थिंग्स, राइट. जो चीज नहीं है, जो चीज नहीं हो सकती. एक तो यार आजकल ना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो गया है, मैं देख रही हूँ बहुत अनरियलिस्टिक गोल्स बच्चे सेट करते हैं अपने लिए जो अचीवेबल ही नहीं है, राइट. अब यू मस्ट हैव आल्सो कम अक्रॉस 10 days में lose 15 pounds, right? Change your skin color, right? Learn to be a very effective speaker in 6 hours, 12 hours. Is it possible, yaar? Is it really possible to do all this? नहीं हो सकता है. So don't set unrealistic goals for yourself, and remember that things take time. Like I said, success is not an overnight thing. You really have to toil, right? और compare अपने आप को करो, लेकिन हमेशा comparison में अपने अंदर flaws मत ढूंढो. ये भी देखो कि मेरे अंदर ये चीजें दूसरों से बेहतर हैं और दूसरे के जैसे मेरे अंदर ये चीजें हैं जिन पे मैं और काम कर सकता हूँ, राइट. तो आई वुड नॉट से डोंट कंपेयर, क्योंकि वो नहीं हो सकता प्रेरणा, वो नहीं हो सकता. मैं ये नहीं कह सकती कंपेयर मत करो, लेकिन हाँ फिर मैं वही चीज रिपीट करूंगी, दूसरों के ओपिनियन से अपने बारे में अपना ओपिनियन मत दो, राइट. दैट इज वेरी रॉन्ग. हाँ, वो दैट इज देयर परसेप्शन. उनको आप पसंद हो नहीं पसंद हो, दैट्स ओके. पर आप अपने आप को पसंद नापसंद दूसरों के ओपिनियन के हिसाब से नहीं कर सकते. दैट्स वेरी रॉन्ग. I do that in my personal life, so I feel, and it works for me.
Definitely. So, कंपैरिजन यस करो, बट देन उसका जो पॉजिटिव वो है, वन शुड नॉट स्टार्ट फाइंडिंग फॉल्ट्स एज यू सेड.
यस, हमेशा नेगेटिव मत देखो, हमेशा नेगेटिव मत देखो यार, हमेशा नेगेटिविटी। और मैं एक बात और बोलूंगी प्रेरणा, ये भी पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस में बोल रही हूँ, नेगेटिविटी एक ऐसी चीज है ना, आप जितना उसको अट्रैक्ट करोगे, मैनिफेस्ट करते हैं हम लोग। आप देखिए कई बच्चे मुझसे भी कहते हैं कि मैम हम लोग पॉजिटिव भी तो इतना सोचते हैं, वो तो नहीं होता हमारे साथ। नेगेटिव को सोचते हो फटाक से हो जाता है, क्योंकि नेगेटिव चीज हम लोग इतनी स्ट्रांगली
बिल्कुल
मैनिफेस्ट करते हैं, हम लोग इतनी स्ट्रांगली उस चीज को करते हैं कि ये होगा अब मेरे साथ, अब तो यही होगा, अब आई एम गोइंग टू फेल, अब ये होगा, अब मैं इसमें सक्सेसफुल नहीं होंगी। वो द यूनिवर्स गिव्स इट बैक टू यू, राइट? तो नेगेटिविटी को आप जितना अट्रैक्ट करोगे, नेगेटिविटी आपकी लाइफ में उतनी ही आएगी। मैं अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से सबसे कह रही हूँ स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज ट्राई टू बी एज पॉजिटिव एज
राइट.
पॉसिबल। हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहना पॉसिबल नहीं। इफ यू आर फीलिंग लो, एक्सेप्ट करिए उस फीलिंग को कि हाँ आई एम फीलिंग लो, आई एम नॉट इन अ प्रॉपर
बिल्कुल
फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड, अभी मेरा मन नहीं हो रहा है ये करने का, ठीक है? ये डोंट बी इन अ डिनायल फेज, राइट? बट हमेशा नेगेटिव 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 रहोगे तो वही चीज अपने लिए अट्रैक्ट भी करोगे, एंड देन यू लूज
यस
टाइम। आपके साथ के लोग आपसे बहुत आगे निकल जाएंगे, फिर आप कहेंगे ये कैसे कर लिया इसने, ये इसीलिए उसने ऐसे कर लिया क्योंकि उसने एक सेकंड भी अपना वेस्ट नहीं किया और उसने नेगेटिविटी को अपने आसपास भी नहीं
बिल्कुल
आने दिया,
बिल्कुल.
राइट?
So, Shubhra ji, before we conclude, your message to everybody who is watching us right now and later when they'll watch this video.
You need to have a, like I said, Prerna, one thing that nobody can take away from you is your strength of mind, right? Is the freedom of your mind. So you need to have a very strong mindset. You need to embrace your ambition, right? And you have to have a sense of
Yes.
individuality. You should have the confidence to be able to voice your
Right.
opinion. And one thing, hard work. You cannot shy away from hard work. You can't. You can't. मैं अपनी क्लास में भी ये बात कहती हूँ प्रेरणा, हमेशा मैं यहाँ पे भी कहना चाहूंगी। हम लोग कहते हैं ना उसकी किस्मत बहुत अच्छी है। We don't understand कि हार्ड वर्क का और किस्मत का एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल कनेक्शन है, right? I feel that hard work is like a cup of milk and luck is sugar. God gives sugar only to those who have a cup of
बिल्कुल
milk. भगवान चीनी उन्हीं के कप में डालता है जिनका कप दूध से जितना ज्यादा भरा होगा उतना ज्यादा उसमें मिठास आएगी. Without doing hard work, you cannot expect you cannot expect things to work in favor. वो नहीं होता. और कोई भी वो चीज ओवरनाइट नहीं होती. कंसिस्टेंसी इज द की. कंसिस्टेंट रहिए, चाहे अपने पर्सनल फ्रंट पे चाहे प्रोफेशनल फ्रंट पे. यू हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट इन व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. दैट इज द मंत्र.
बिल्कुल. Thank you so much, Shubhra ji, for coming live with us, and I mean, for such a
Thank you
fruitful
so much,
session. जो भी
Prerna. It was indeed a pleasure. And your questions were very well formulated. I would like to say that. और आपने बहुत अच्छे से अपना काम किया है, बहुत रिसर्च आपने किया
Thank
था.
you.
And the questions were, I felt they were very apt, and I feel I've been able to. I tried my best to answer them to the best of my ability. Right. So thank you so much, and I wish you and all your ventures and Inspiration Academy all the very
Thank you
best.
so much.
May it grow by
Thank you
leaps and
so
bounds.
much, Shubhra ji.
And I'm looking forward to more
Definitely,
live sessions with you.
definitely, definitely. So am I. Thank you. Take care.
Keep doing the good work. You are actually inspiring students.
Thank you. Thank you. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching
Thank you.
us
Thank
live.
you.
Stay connected. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Prerna.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.